Okay, this is almost all about the characters you have to know. However, from the program, you probably have noticed that it is a tedious work of declaring the character by character there. In this case, we have three of them. We have to define them three times and print them out three times there. So is there a better way to do this? Yes, it is. Try this out by yourself. If everything goes well, you're supposed to have the result like this. It's almost the same like what we had in previous example. What we're doing here is we are declaring a string using this char instead of declaring them one by one. A string is actually a collection of characters, a collection of chars in this case, and you could see I have put the numbers, the characters I want to print here as in a string, as the members of the string, which for declare a string you can use this. Let me give you more details. In this example, we actually have declared a string with a length of 10. In the memory, it will be stored character by character like this. The 10 indicating that we are declaring a space of 10. So it will be like this. After initialization, so each of the character, as you have seen here, will be put in an orderly manner like this. A, that's the first one. The second one is character 0, and the new line format tag here, and so on, so forth. Pay more attention that the when you're accessing this string, the member string, the index starts with 0 instead of 1. So that's a way we're doing it. So when the program goes into these for loops, at the very beginning I equals to 0. So this is indeed giving a value of S0. That means the first components of this string, it will output that. In addition, note that this is very important. A string should end with a value 0, not a char 0. In this case, you can see here our string after the space, that means the here, then it will there are several zeros following, but this is the ending. The A6 is the ending char of that string. When computer are reading a string, it will be by default if it reaches the value 0, and the computer knows these are the content of the string. The rest 0 valued ones are not indeed.